The elements of Indian culture, may it be dance, painting, or architecture, have unique stories attached to them. Join us in this video series as we explore them for our competitive examinations. Boys and girls, welcome to Statecraft. This is our video series on Culture of India. Today, let us study the classical dances of India. So, the classical dances of India first find their mention in Natya Shastra written by Bharata Muni. According to Natya Shastra, the Indian dance is a combination of three elements: Natya, the dramatic element; Nritta, pure dance movements; Nritya, the expressional component invoking emotions and storytelling. The Sangeet Natak Academy, which is the National Academy of Music, Dance and Drama in India, has conferred the status of classical dance to 8 Indian dance forms. These are Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam, and Satriya. Let us begin our discussion with Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam finds its origin in Tamil Nadu. Apart from Bharata Muni's Natya Shastra, another important source of Bharatanatyam is the Abhinaya Darpana written by Nandikeshwara. This dance form is known for its geometric and graceful movements, strong footwork, precise hand gestures, and powerful facial expressions. One of the most important postures in Bharatanatyam is the Araimandi, which you can see on the screen, a half-seated position that forms the foundation of the dance. Usually, Bharatanatyam is performed by a single dancer who portrays multiple roles in one performance. This form of presentation is known as Ekahariya. The dancer is accompanied by an orchestra of various instruments. The person who conducts this rhythmic recitation and guides the performance is called the Natuanar. Bharatanatyam poses are widely depicted on sculptures of South Indian temples. One of the most famous examples is the Chidambaram temple, which has deep association with dance, with Lord Nataraja as the cosmic dancer himself. So guys, now let us move on to the next dance form, that is Kathak. Kathak, the term Kathak is derived from the word Katha, meaning storytelling. Kathak originated in northern India, particularly in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. After the 15th century, the Kathak gained prominence through Bhakti movement, where dancers enacted the stories and lives of Radha Krishna, often performed as folk plays known as Rasa Leela. Kathak is characterized by swift spins known as chakkars, rhythmic foot stamping, delicate hand gestures, subtle facial expressions. During the medieval period, Kathak received patronage from Mughal emperors and developed as court dance. Under the patronage of Wajid Ali Shah, the last Nawab of Awadh, Kathak flourished into a major classical art form. Kathak is usually performed as a solo dance. There are several traditions within Kathak known as Gharanas, the most important being Lucknow Gharana, Jaipur Gharana, Banaras Gharana. One of the characteristic poses of Kathak is the Samasthana, where dancer stands upright in a poised stance. Let us move ahead to Kathakali. Kathakali, a dance form of Kerala which is known for its heavy makeup and stunning costumes. Kathakali is highly stylized dance drama that combines dance, music and acting and dramatizes stories mostly drawn from Indian epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. A unique feature of Kathakali is the elaborate facial makeup and color symbolism, which indicates the mental and moral nature of the characters. Green symbolizing nobility and virtue, black signifies wickedness, and red patch for combination of royalty, aggression, and evil. Kathakali has two main styles: Vadakan, the northern style, and Tekkan, the southern style. The basic stance of Kathakali is the Atimandala, a deeply grounded posture with knees bent outward and feet firmly placed apart. The next classical dance is Kuchipudi. The name Kuchipudi is derived from the village Kuchipudi, which is in Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh, where a strong dance drama tradition developed. In the 17th century, the Kuchipudi style was systemized by Siddhendra Yogi. Kuchipudi is known for its integration of Vachika Abhinaya, that is, spoken dialogue along with the expressive dance. It is usually performed by male dancers. Costumes, ornaments, and jewelry occupy a prominence in Kuchipudi performances. The important solo items of Kuchipudi include Manduka Shabdam, the story of the frog maiden, Balagopala Tarangam, dancing on rim of brass plate with a pot of water on head, and Tala Chitra Nritya, drawing pictures using rhythmic foot movements. Let us move ahead to Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam originated in Kerala. The term literally means dance of Mohini, the female incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Apart from Natya Shastra, the text Vyavahara Mala, written in 1709 by Narayana Nambudiri, provides detailed reference to this dance. Mohiniyattam is marked by soft flowing and graceful elements where dancers frequently shift between body levels such as Aramandala, Chaturmandala and Atimandala. Dancers wear traditional off-white saris with golden borders known as kasavu. This dance was patronized by kings of Travancore, especially Maharaja Kartika Tirunal and his successor Maharaja Swati Tirunal. Movements of Mohiniyattam shows influences from Bharatanatyam, Nanginar Kutu, Kaikotikali, Tiruvatikali and Manipravala, which are folk dances of females. Moving ahead to Odissi, the cultural dance of Odisha. It is known for its sculptural postures, which are elaborately designed on the temples of Odisha. Odissi traces its roots to traditions such as Maharis, Devadasis, and Gotipuva dancers who perform for Lord Vishnu. The major themes of Odissi performances include stories of Vishnu's incarnation and verses from Gita Govinda of Jayadeva. Odissi is often described as mobile posture incorporating two fundamental postures. One is Tribhanga, body bent at neck, torso, and knees. Next is Chauk, a pose which is square and of grounded stance. The elaborate head ornament worn by female Odissi dancers is known as Tahiya. Next, let us move to Satriya, a classical dance of Assam. Satriya was introduced by Srimata Shankaradeva of Assam as a medium to propagate Vaishnavism. As it developed along Satras, which are the Vaishnava mutts or monasteries, this dance came to be known as Satriya. The tradition has several streams such as Gyan Bahyarnach, Chali, Rajgriha Chali. Traditionally, Satriya was performed by male monks known as Bhokots. The dance includes formations like Sarpa and performance items such as Sutradhari and Gopi Nritya. Dancers undergo training in 64 basic exercises known as Mati Akhara. The final classical dance we discussed today is Manipuri. Manipuri, that is originated in Manipur, is known for soft, gentle and flowing movements which resemble gliding movements. The core theme of Manipuri dance is Ras Leela, depicting the episodes of life of Lord Krishna. An important influence on Manipuri dance is Lai Haroba, the earliest ritual dance form of Manipur which laid the foundation for later stylized dances. Manipuri also includes Sankirtan, a devotional music dance tradition involving drums and cymbals, often performed in temples. A unique feature is Pung Cholom, where dancers perform vigorous movements while playing the drum. The iconic costume of Manipuri dance is the Poloi, a stiff, cylindrical skirt worn with a translucent veil and elegant jewelry. So with this, we conclude our discussion on classical dances of India. Let us meet again with the next topic from Art and Culture. Thank you for watching. Follow Statecraft for more such informative videos.